Let's say you've got a torn up space and you're trying to get some kind of a vision about how it'll look in the end once you're done with all the renovation. You can see in this where we are in our current renovation of the space. The kitchen is down to its studs, but there's still a long way to go. I've got the perfect tool for you. It's a free app. It is called Room Planner from Home Design 3D. They'll let you use this app in a basic free version. It's really powerful, and it can not only help you design your space, but lay it out and see what it's like before you actually get done with the renovation. Definitely worth checking out. So here we go. All right, so once we get our basic floor plan in, we have a couple windows, a pillar kind of in the middle of the room, and some general dimensions that are all pretty much the way it would be in the house that we're looking at. And so what we want to do at this point, I guess we can go ahead and draw this one more wall here. We'll start with the cabinets. So we'll start with base cabinets. We'll start with the corner cabinet. And the easy way to go about this is just go and drag it in from the side, bring it in, use the rotate tool there to rotate it in. After you get that one, go ahead and add the next one. And because I know what I'm looking for, I've done this before, it's a little easier to line them up. So it's just a matter of finding similar things that will fit in your particular instance and pop them in. And once we get the 3D view, we'll be able to see if I'm putting these in the right orientation. Sometimes they're in backwards, but that's okay. That doesn't matter too much. We'll do a clone of this cabinet right here. So I click on clone, and then it just gives me one that's a little bit offset, and that'll fit right there. And then we'll go ahead and add our refrigerator. So we want to go to appliance. I think we're going to do kitchen and then appliances. And there's refrigerator. And so we'll just go ahead and add this one here. Like so. Now we can go to the other side of the room. The purpose of this tool is to just let you kind of get a look at, or it gives you kind of a preview of what you might end up with, which is nice, especially if your space is pretty torn up or you're looking for ideas on what you want to do. We'll fill in with some, I guess, additional things that we want to add to the kitchen to make it look like a regular kitchen. So we'll do kitchen island, and we're going to use this one here. We're actually going to make this one bigger. Size. I want this one 7.5 by 3. And an island is going to need some chairs. Now you can change the room size if you want, or the room flooring color, but that's kind of the flooring color that we were shooting for, so we'll just stick with that. Okay, now that you basically have your kitchen layout. Oh, yeah, I messed this up. We've got stairs right here. We got to add those stairs in, so we can pull this out. We'll pull this plant out so we can get the stairs in there. And then let's go back and add those in. Add, build, and then stairs. And we'll just do one of these first ones here. Let's drag those over. Rotate. Slide them in. Now these are a little on the long side, so we'll resize them. And we know that space right there is 4 feet. Close enough. And then this is they're about 3 foot wide. Now we can bring our side table back in there. Bring our plant back over. We can just put that right there. That'll work. All right. We got the floor plan generally how we like it. We can go in and refine it by going to the 3D view. So, and then you can see how they've laid it out. And we've got few oddities going on here, so we want to deal with that. One is we've got different color cabinets. So if you wanted to go with all dark colored cabinets, we just got to change everything up here. So this one, let's see if we can rotate that. That doesn't look right. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's excellent. And see, this is nice because you can correct everything when you find a mess up. And we do have a mess up right here because right there is going to be our dishwasher. So let's see, add, and then we want to do kitchen and appliances, dishwasher. And we'll do our stainless dishwasher right in there like so. There we go. Now I can bring the cabinets back over, stove back over, hood, we'll line that up with that. And then if you're looking at your layout and it's not quite right, you can just add things in right here and get what you're looking for, which is immensely helpful if you're doing, say, a brand new kitchen layout or something like that. Anyway, so there's an infinite amount of change that you can do with this, and that can help as you pick out your final look. Right, so now there's your kitchen layout, say, if that's what you were going for. Now, if you wanted to, let's say you really wanted to spice this up, you want to change the color of the walls, hit properties, and then we can do wall color. Let's say you like yellow. Let's try that. Done. Boom. There you go. And so it just, with one change, you can, I guess you can get exactly the look that you're looking for. Do color. And what's really nice is you can move over to a different side of the room and get a different look, which is really helpful. This pillar right here is actually a brick pillar. I don't know if we can. I think I saw bricks. There's bricks. And they're probably something a little bit more like that. Then you can mess with the floor. These flooring. Maybe if you want to go a little darker. It's really endless what you can do for variety. Let's go back to the floor color that we had. And we've done this room in a couple of different looks, and I'll show you those right here. So that's how it works. If this video helps, if you got anything out of it, give us a like or a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It helps our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.